Have you ever wondered why Python is so important in software development? This high-level programming language, Python, is a juggernaut in the world of technology and a favorite among developers. Python's simplicity is striking, with a syntax that reads like English, making it accessible to beginners, and a joy for seasoned coders alike. But it's not just about simplicity. Python's readability encourages good programming practices, fostering clean, efficient code. It's a versatile tool too, with a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks that extend its reach far beyond the basics. Picture this. One day, you're using Python for web development, crafting sleek, interactive websites. The next, you're diving headfirst into data analysis, harnessing Python's power to uncover insights and drive decision-making. Python finds a home in diverse applications, proving its worth time and time again. But is Python's simplicity its only selling point? Surely not. To truly appreciate Python, we must compare it with other programming languages. Consider Java, a heavyweight in the programming world. It's robust, boasting strong memory management and high performance. However, when it comes to syntax, it's complex and verbose. Python, in contrast, offers simplicity. Its syntax is clean and readability is a priority, making it easier for beginners to pick up and for experts to navigate. Let's turn our attention to C++. Known for its speed and control over system resources, C++ is a favorite for system programming and game development. However, it's not as forgiving as Python. It has a steeper learning curve due to its complex syntax and manual memory management. Python, with its dynamic typing and automatic memory management, offers a more user-friendly experience. And what about JavaScript, the darling of the web? It's everywhere on the internet, but it's primarily a front-end language. It lacks the flexibility of Python, which can be used for both front-end and back-end development. Plus, Python's extensive standard library offers a wealth of modules and packages for tasks that JavaScript might require third-party libraries to accomplish. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Performance. Yes, Python may not be as fast as Java or C++ in executing certain tasks. But isn't it fascinating that Python has been used to power Instagram, one of the world's most popular social media platforms? Or that Google, a tech behemoth, uses Python in its production systems? Clearly, Python's performance isn't a deal breaker in many real-world applications. And when it comes to scalability, Python isn't left behind either. With the right architecture and design patterns, Python applications can scale to serve millions of users. Not to mention, Python's readability and simplicity make maintaining and updating code bases less of a hassle. As you can see, Python holds its own against other languages, but what makes it truly indispensable in software development? Scene script. Python's versatility and simplicity make it a key player in software development. Let's dive into this a bit more, shall we? Python's features make it ideal for a variety of roles in software development. Yes, you heard it right. Python isn't a one-trick pony. It is a multifaceted language that has found its place in numerous areas of development. Let's start with back-end development. Python's readability and ease of use make it a popular choice for developers tasked with creating the backbone of websites and applications. Its clear syntax and powerful libraries, such as Django and Flask, allow developers to create robust and scalable backends while keeping the code clean and maintainable. Python's high-level data structures, combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding, make it an ideal language for scripting and rapid application development in many areas. But that's not all. Python has also made significant strides in the fields of machine learning and artificial intelligence. Libraries such as TensorFlow and PyTorch have made Python the go-to language for implementing and experimenting with complex machine learning algorithms. Its easy-to-understand syntax allows researchers and scientists to focus on the problem at hand rather than getting bogged down in the intricacies of the language. Now, let's talk about automation. Python's simplicity and wide array of libraries make it an excellent language for automating repetitive tasks. Whether it's web scraping with Beautiful Soup, automating your emails, or even controlling your computer to perform tasks on its own, Python has you covered. And lastly, let's not forget Python's large and active community of developers. This community contributes to a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, and provides a wealth of resources for learning and troubleshooting. This vibrant community makes Python an ever-evolving language that continues to adapt and grow with the times. So next time someone asks you why Python is important in software development, you'll know exactly what to say.